Hi everyone! I made a script with Python which writes in a file all the annotation, invoke action, and display name contained in all the XAML and TXT files of a Uipath project folder. In this case, I used the Reframework template project folder. I did it in REPL because I thought it was easier to show it, and I put inside the folder called Robotic Enterprise Framework. So let's see what is inside, and we take for example the main file. Okay, so the script doesn't consider folders with a name which contains git or dot something because they were not useful for our purpose. So now it is the script document .txt has been created. If present, it writes the annotations, invokes, actions, and display name. And for each file, it gives the absolute path with the appropriate indentations. Each file is separated with the asterisk by the orders, and of course I can improve the readability of the document.txt file, but it was just a test, and I just wanted to show the annotations and the other features. So I didn't use all these libraries, but the important functions are display annotations because it looks for annotation text, display name and type in each file contained in the folder, and if it finds it, it print the line. Another useful function is the get a list of files, which give the absolute path, as we can see here in the screen. Also, it can give us the number of elements, and for each element inside each folder, each subfolder, it does the correct indentation, and at the end it write it in a file. As I said before, it doesn't regard with the elements which contains .git in the name, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching.